Boss Ben, what's up?
Enfin, what ba monsieur chose pose une question, monsieur dit go bon minute. On a les points. Mon
Okay,
question gain?
bro, listen. So, to be honest with you, man, I mean, I'm so happy you even working to put yourself where you at today, because it's not easy, like a Haitian. So, I used to see you over the Facebook and some other ways of social, in a nice car, but I didn't know what you even do to have it. But I proud of you, man, because someone who would do something wrong will never post what they got brand new. You understand?
Mhm. Mhm.
So, like, I'm so proud of you, man. So, ma pali ko kung nang pa vraiment go question so Haitien, ma viva Haiti, mboko yung braje, yo.
Eh bien,
But
blanc
I
pour
never,
ça.
friend, listen, I never think I would talk to you one day. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Mboko
thank you,
braje,
man.
mge 17 ans, boss, bin tout reve mte pala avon, friend. Yo,
Wow.
asa wap
Merci,
kote la
man.
oui. Yo,
Merci.
hold on. Bon po screenshot,
Respect,
dale.
brother.
Bon
Respect,
po
man.
screenshot, dale. Yo, I gotta move right there. I just come by the beach. I got some other friend right here. Like, I mean,
Yeah.
make a screenshot right there. That's my friend right there.
Bon bagay. Nous
Yeah,
saluons,
I gotta
monsieur.
see that.
Enfin, monsieur.
For me, bro, listen, I proud of the work you doing, man. I always see people being talking bad about what you're doing. So that's their choice, but you got your own life, you on your way. You know what I mean? They already call you husband. Yo, I love your videos, bro.
Thank you, man.
So hold on, I'm gonna let you talk. Just get me 2 minutes. So I know, like, when you try to give like motivation, I know I cannot even watch it every day. I gotta start to doing something to up myself. But the only thing I'm focused right now is education. The
Yes.
other the other day I was in a live to talk to Marjorie. They call her like Marjorie. I was not even go to school for like to pay my school, something like this. She one of the people who will help me with my school. This was really good. And when she helped me out, tomorrow I gotta be in school. You know what I mean? I pay the school, I get the receipt, and when I get
Wow.
before I go to school, I'm gonna make some pictures for her. And when I get inside of my class, I'm gonna make some
What
pictures.
kind of school?
Classic school. Well, I'm 17. I'm 17
Okay,
now. I'm
okay.
18, man. What's I'm
Okay,
doing?
okay, okay, okay.
AP, man.
What's the
Like,
name of the school?
the local Mali is not really popular because it's most of the schools really popular in Laguna. They like I
Where
live
do
in
you
Laguna.
where do you learn English?
Okay. I have some other friends that live in Indiana. They live in Indiana. They used to come to Haiti Laguna for three
Oh.
months to practice their NS.
Hmm.
And I was even asked one of them to make a class for me, because when they speak, I was not even understand what they say. And
Hmm.
I said I got a loan. And one of them was decided to make the class for me. And I gotta tell you the truth. We young, we don't know what they call education. Sometimes we being crazy, and they have like some other beautiful girls. They get like 20 kids, I think. They get like 10 boys, 10 girls. The girls look so pretty. We young, and I used to go in after class really nice, really normal. And when I see I'm going like this, I used to talk to the girls every day. It's not what I was want. Cause I
Oh.
thinking if you don't have nothing, the girls won't stay for you for long.
Mhm.
And I would stop it right there. I wearing like a dirty clothes. When I come in like this, the girls want post on me like they don't care about me. They want to talk to me. And I have another friend they call James. I said, you know what, bro? If you come to school right there, you come to get something, just get it. And tomorrow you can get any girls around here. And he was listening to me. Especially I one of the best students inside of the class.
Hmm.
Yo,
I
I'm
can
alright,
tell.
but
I can tell
what
because I can see that. So you're very smart. So
but Ben
what?
frère,
Mhm.
ouais, par la avant, son ton rêve pour me débarrasser la avant, celle nèg, même son grand nèg encore frère. J'aime so de barbe son nèg m'a suivre. Mais comme si son nèg comme si I follow him. So, gen moun kap di mauvais, mot mal
Mais nous
élevé
pas
si
contre
si
côté
la
je ne
gon.
sais pas une comme à tout femme tout ça. Comme je ne sais
Bazen.
pas pas clair.
Bazen.
Yeah, me kon
Bazen.
But
Oh,
yeah,
my
me say
friend.
so. The thing
boss
is,
Ben,
where you at? What now? Lagonav or
la gon av mwen Haiti me frère, bon me
I?
frère nou an ligne.
Okay, so what about the school? Tell me the school. How much you already paid the school, right?
Yeah, me pay el, me comme si me pay el, comme si gen kou nan l'école là like ordinateur,
Okay, you know
dan
what?
map
You know
là.
what?
Hein?
I think follow me, text me.
Boss Ben, listen. You already know, man. I follow you everywhere. I follow you in Instagram. I follow you in Facebook. I follow you in TikTok. That's why I
Okay,
find
I
you
just
hype,
follow
man.
you now on TikTok.
No problem, man.
Jason, right? So something, is that?
Yeah, yeah.
So after text me after that, so we're gonna talk to see what I can do to
Pas un
help you because
problème.
you
Parce
know
que comme l'école là,
a guy like you, you see our country is like when people pay at bon et imagine you never travel, you never leave Haiti,
frère,
and then you
listen.
speak English better than
You
me.
know, you know. M'parle anglais puis parce que moi mais ça parce que boss ben nous gen cran ou dit son belle
But
bagaille
it's
m'a dit
true.
belle
It's
bagaille.
true.
Yeah,
Not
respect.
only me.
Boss ben
Mm.
chéri vous femme. M'kon pas de prince à l'âge mia m'tal font passeport ou m'ta passer Canaan. M'pa kon côté Canaan les moi tout m'na courir m'tu collègue get bal moi qui des amis là. Et puis le mal mal fait passeport m'dormi pour un jour. M'dormi pour un jour de prince m'kon pas de prince à 17
Wow.
ans m'kon à la caille. M'kon al
Wow.
mon même toujours sur vous tout to boss ben yo. I follow you like everywhere. Raison fait m'ba le ma so ap di yo. Parce que c'est choix pas ou parce que gen la vie pas ou travaille en pile pour mettre tête dans niveau et les boss ben m'pa vle moun ap di m'a fait personnalité parce que c'est boss ben nous gen l'argent nous et pas salier haïtien besoin comprendre regardez comment on gen kob là oui boss ben toujours une belle machine demain si devait m'ta remen une belle machine mais boss ben faut
S'il fait le café tout.
t'es chéri sou fait m'ta fait tout mais raison si comme on te fait dans mauvais condition pas ka poster sur réseaux sociaux FBI ça bien contrôle sur l'autre n'a
C'est ça,
contrôle sur boss ben chéri ou lié
Thank you, man. Nous
Yo,
on est
petit.
là besoin tout
Yo,
pour.
petit. En pile respect, man. En pile respect. Moi, m'kap vive New York, anglais m'pas bon comme ça, bordel.
boss ben
En
listen
pile respect, man. Respect to my man.
bro
I love you, man. Monsieur,
yo
Basben, monsieur, c'est, yo parle de Dibago, ouais, Dibago son
Mr.
jeune
Haïtien.
qui smart en pile.
Yeah, Mr. Haïtien, mais gars pas moun lèm parler avec
Dibago son jeune qui smart en
On parle
pile.
pas de besoin.
Ouais,
Nous pas besoin de
Dibago en premier,
Bye.
monsieur en deuxième.
Gars pas ket nèg comme
Dibago
si
bon,
men.
monsieur, pas pas dire ça.
Bye.
Eh ben, ok. Eh ben, Jeff, on a des messages pour aller. On a pour aller là.
Yeah.